that the time that you save during the translation step is eventually going to come back to you during the quality control. So you haven't really saved time, you've just shifted the time necessary into the lower paying step of the workflow, which also cannot be the right way to go.
And there is also, I think, this other consequence that's related to the translator's status changing from author to post editor. And it's quite important because in many European countries, translators are considered authors. So their translations are their intellectual properties. And then companies can ask them for permission to use those intellectual properties and pay them royalties. This is called economic rights. There are also moral rights, among which is the right to be credited. But these royalties for many people in Europe is a huge part of their income, in some cases up to 50%. And if the policymakers don't do it right, and this status changes to post editor and they lose their author's rights, they lose all that money. Imagine losing half of your income over such a technicality. I mean, you won't be able to support yourself or your family anymore. So that's also one problematic consequence, I think.